Bidong ilang pathama jong kam Madhya Pradesh Youth Congress kilong baka jimino jake mele bagit khot han kisni ke badap kalong kam hap kisla bat kiso ndai ki Thied joding hi ki aine ikani lapan pau do samla ban phirlang pasai mai ulong vice president jong kam Madhya Pradesh Youth Congress ha ka jalang bakin thok khobor kabla long mata kasni ka shitarik luber arajar arpoi
the youth that we have now, we are more concerned about the roots of the party. Yes, flowers will perish, fruits will fall, but our roots will be strong. And right now, this is the start of a new phase for the Congress. New leaders will come out, and in good time, I think so we'll be announcing people joining the party who will contest elections, and you can take it from us. The 60 assembly seats, we will have candidates. The core committee of the Congress is very strong right now. In spite of the exodus of the MLAs, we still have a vibrant team right now. We are not promised anything. We are not promised the luxuries of life, but we want to make a commitment to our people that whatever we do is for the betterment of our future, not just our future, but even the younger kids, the younger generation behind us. So people leaving, yes, it's an issue, and we are dealing with it, and we'll come up with solutions, and solutions are coming up every now and then. So we are not worried about that.